In a compact apartment, a dusty vintage typewriter case is opened to reveal a tiny, thriving garden habitat. Pea gravel lines the bottom, miniature ferns unfurl beside a tiny ceramic teacup pond, and soft greenery cushions the edges. A hidden LED emits a warm glow, turning the case into a cinematic lookout for whimsical insects and dew droplets. When closed, the book-like cover hides a living surprise, and when opened, becomes a conversation starter about home creativity. This DIY reimagines forgotten souvenirs, turning a shelf staple into a portable terrarium that invites daily moments of wonder.